Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to talk to you about the one and only Brett. Okay, so Brett has had some really positive price action here over the last day. Okay, the volume is up 12%. The chart itself is up 7% here. Yeah, we're seeing this creep up to around that $1 billion market cap yet again. Now, that is obviously super bullish for Brett. I'm very, very happy the fact that they have sort of climbed back here. But I was looking at this maybe a day ago, and we were sat around $800 million market cap. It's around that sort of level here. And you can see, yeah, this is over the last day. You can see we've absolutely exploded here from, this was even today, this morning, from 844 mil market cap up to around currently 928. So near enough. Nearly $100 million in terms of value has been added to this asset in terms of the market cap growth. Absolutely insane. So well done to everyone that's holding Brett. And that does bring me on to Brett from a more of a technical analysis standpoint, because there's a very, very, very interesting area that we needed to be looking at, guys. Okay. And that area, which we go through the technical analysis standpoint here, you can see on this chart here that in the last video that we spoke about, and you can go check the video, guys. You can go check. This is the buying area that we spoke about, okay? It was the lovely floor here. It was a lovely pinnacle bounce point, and it was a 0.618 Fibonacci retracement bounce move, okay? So this was the DCA area, and this is why I was stressing to you guys, this is the point where you need to be buying. Obviously, it's not financial advice. Do your own research. But everyone that did get involved with that, you're currently up 50% on your investment, okay? Not quite a 2x, but still, it's a pretty lump sum of money. Okay, if you did DCA these areas like we did discuss in the previous video. Okay, so that is obviously very good to everyone who got involved with that. Well done. But the question you guys are probably asking now, and you're like, come on, Chester, just talk about where this asset is going now. Okay, and this is where I would be drawing my trend lines. This is where I'd be looking for the initial sort of TA points to really be referencing, okay? So this is obviously a macro perspective, and we're going to be looking at Fibonacci to start us off. So the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement to be exact, that area is usually due a bit of resistance, but as you can see here, a bit of resistance coming through, and also here as well. But you can see the resistance really doesn't play out that strongly most of the time until we get to that 10-cent sort of area, okay? And with that sort of as a factor here, what we could be looking out for here on the shorter term time frame, just for a little bit of a short trade here, you can see lovely, lovely uptrend. We're probably seeing a nice symmetrical triangle, not symmetrical triangle, sorry, an ascending triangle chart pattern. What I mean by that, guys, is something along the lines of this. And ascending triangle chart patterns usually mean continuation to the upside, which we are seeing there. Very nice. And usually, trend is your friend. We're going to ride that bad boy till the end. So what we're looking for here to solidify, to cement this trade in our portfolio, in our balance sheet, if you will, we're looking for that support on the 0.382, and that support is going to be lining up with obviously the trend, the gap between this lovely, lovely, lovely resistance point, and also the momentum just in general after this 382 on the shorter term time frame can actually be really quite aggressive here. You can see bang, 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 bang. Very, very, very nice gains to the upside here. So when we do see this area come through, we're not blindly going to be going for 9.67%. That would be dumb. We're going to be staggering our take profits at all of the valid resistance points. And then once we hit our first take profit, we take our stop loss, we move our stop loss to our entry point, and then, you know what, we're sat in a risk-free position that can actually go either way, because we've already taken profit once, and that's absolutely fine, but our stop loss is now at our entry point. So if the trade does run, and it does, where is the price? There it is. And it does progress all the way up here, and we see the price continue up, amazing stuff, we're just going to let it run. But if it does come down, as I said, we've already taken out 0.25% of our position. We've taken our stop loss, move our stop loss to our entry point, and then we're just letting it do its thing. We've already made money. Stop loss is at entry. We can't lose anything. You're now in a risk-free trade. Risk-free trade, you've already made 0.25% on what, sorry, you've already made whatever percentage you would like here. Let's have a little look, actually. So if we got in here, and this was our first TP, you would have already made 2.36% on your 0.25% equity of that 100% equity that you did put in. Obviously not of your portfolio, but whatever you staked in terms of your margin for the trade, you would have made 2.36% on the 0.25% equity, okay? Risk-free trade, that's how you want to be doing it, okay? So that's the trade that I'm looking out for here for Brett. And overall, I think it is looking pretty good, pretty bullish overall. Let me know what you guys think of Brett in the comment section. I'm super intrigued. And whether you bought Brett, what price did you buy Brett? And if you found any value here, guys, do us a solid and drop a little like, okay? That is completely free. Just hit that like button down below. I'm going to leave some nice early alpha pre-sales in the description of this video. If you guys want to go check them out, you can. Some really, really nice early alpha information in there. If you guys want to go see that, you can. All the links will be in the description. That is going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. I will be back tomorrow with some amazing videos referencing a new project, a brand new project that's coming out that I'm super, super excited about, okay? That's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.